Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, December 21st, and we've only got 4 more days to Christmas, and the big question is who will get the white Christmas? I think most of the MAC and LAC areas have a good chance of seeing a white Christmas, although I will admit I'm a little bit concerned about far southeast lower Michigan into southwest Ontario, but again, we're definitely going to have cold enough temperatures and snow showers that'll occur between now and then. And I think for parts of central Michigan today through tomorrow morning, we could see maybe 1 to 3 inches in some areas. We'll have some freezing drizzle as you get further south down towards Lansing, maybe an inch or so of snow there. But again, this system could kind of surprise us a little bit. Some of the models want to put out a little bit more snow in that. And again, we'll take a look at that. And if we look at conditions around the area this morning with lots of cloud cover in place, temperatures are pretty uniform in the mid 20s. And again, over in southwest Ontario, minus 2.8 Celsius. You can see the normals for the day. Our normal high is 31 again. The normal low is 18. See, we got down to 10 below zero in 1901. Those are the kind of temperatures we may be seeing here, I think, over the next 20 days as we have some very, very bitterly cold air that's going to be making its way into the Great Lakes region. If we look at the updated snowfall total, we had 1.3 inches of snow 2 days after we had our big snowstorm. And again, that takes us up now to 12.5 inches for the month of December, which is already more than the month's total combined from what we normally would expect. And if we look at this next slide, this pretty much tells the story not only for the next 14 days, but really probably for the next 25, 30 days, as we see just a tremendous amount of cold air coming into the lower 48. And with even normal precipitation, let alone above normal precipitation, this would be a tremendous amount of snowfall that would occur, I think, during that period. But we'll just have to wait and see. Individual storms are always hard to forecast, much like we've been dealing with this one here for the last 5-6 days, talking about a chance that we could see some significant snow. And that still might be the case across the northern part of the state and maybe even in the central part of the state. But again, a lot of questions even still with this system coming up. You can see on the radar map and the weather map this morning, you can see our low pressure systems continuing to drop down to this front, and then it's going to make a cut to the northeast, and again, that'll determine where the rain snow line is. Again, anywhere from around mid-Michigan off to the north, I think it'll be mainly snow with at least several inches of snow and maybe half a foot or better as you get up north. And then the gray area is going to be from around the M46 all the way down to I-96. As to, again, if you get more snow than freezing drizzle or freezing rain, then you have a good chance of seeing a couple or a few inches of snow. And again, the big question mark on the white Christmas is going to be from this area in the southeast lower Michigan and far southwest Ontario. But again, I still have hope that even if this system doesn't deliver some snow, as we get into Sunday night into Monday, Christmas morning, we could see maybe an inch or two from a system that'll be dropping through. As far as precipitation over the next 7 days, again, only very modest amounts, around a quarter to a third, maybe 4/10 of an inch. But again, if a lot of that falls when we get the real cold air in place, we could be talking about snowfall ratios up around 20-25 to 1, especially once we get into Sunday and Monday. So that could deliver some decent snow. Lots of snow expected across much of northern lower Michigan here over the next 5 days as well. As far as over the next 72 hours, you can see the WPC is very bullish in mid-Michigan for 2 to 4 inches of snow all the way over into the thumb. So I suspect that the chances of having a white Christmas are best once you get out here to Brown City, Marlette, Middleton, Breckenridge, maybe Lansing, Clarksville, and definitely Newaygo. Looks like it'll be a nice white Christmas for those folks over there. As far as the forecast goes for today, you can see highs in the next couple of days, mainly in the low to mid 30s with lows below freezing at night. And that's going to allow for a mixture of precipitation. Again, more snow the farther north and west you go, and more freezing drizzle or freezing rain as you get down towards Lansing and areas to the south. Then a few snow showers expected possibly Saturday night. And then again, a better chance of another weak system coming through that could drop another 1 to 2 inches of snow across parts of the area. And for Christmas Day right now, it looks like about a 20-30% chance of snow showers. So we'll definitely have some snow in the air for the Christmas Day. As far as Weather Watch this morning, you can see some weather advisories beginning to show up across the south. That system is the low pressure system combined with colder air that's coming down from the northwest. And again, I think there'll be some winter weather advisories probably issued for northern lower Michigan, maybe central lower Michigan, and again, maybe even south central lower Michigan for freezing drizzle, freezing rain. but we'll just have to watch here over the next 8 hours. But I think if there's going to be any advisories issued, it would probably be issued by 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. So sometime later this morning, don't be surprised if you see some winter weather advisories across portions of lower Michigan. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day. And I'm off to Brown City and Marlette this morning. Have yourself a great day again, and 73s to all.